Notable authors of Eastern Visayas Region 8 by Tricia Arellano and Nicole Casanova.
For our first notable author, we have Martin Abellano. In the years 1956 to 1958, he was president of the Ludabi, a group of writers in Cebuano. His novels are characterized by a concern for the working class. Abellano is one of the Cebuano writers featured by national artist Resil Mojares in his 1975 book, Cebuano Literature. Some of his famous works are the novels Kaulit sa Kalipay, Ang Kalayo sa Sulad, Tulisok sa Tanlag, Basuni sa Katingla, Awit sa Gugma, and Kinabuhi.
Another notable writer is Iluminado Lucente, a Filipino writer primarily writing poetry and drama in the Waray language. He is considered to be one of the finest writers in the Waray language. His family's status allowed him to be tutored privately before he attended University in Manila. These are the works of Iluminado Lucente. Two of his greatest works are An Iroy Nga Tuna, 1945, Baga Durogas Ngan Bagat Nuod, 1939.
Francisco Alvarado is a noted playwright of Zarzuela and Lineta Samarnon. He was a member and literary luminary of the Sanghiran San Binisaya organization, which was founded in 1909 to cultivate the Waray language. Some of his most famous works are Panahay-hay, Hinbong Tohanon in 1921 or Hinagpis ng Isang Tagabayan, Anmarol in 1925 or Ang Sampagita, Kaadlawon in 1925 or Araw, Kagab-ihon in 1925 or Gabi, Nihaga in 1930 and Pilipinas, which was written in 1931. Another notable author from the Eastern Visayas is Casiano Trinquera. He is one of the authors during the 1900s to late 1950s who wrote the finest Waray poems, particularly satirical poetry. Some of his most famous poems are Guwin Kasalhin or Casamiento, Pagsumpa, Ang Lambong Mu, Hain Ka, and Pilipinas. Lastly, we have Eduardo Macabenta. He was also a member of the Sanghiran San Binisaya in 1909. Together with Trinquera and Docente, he was one of the authors in the period 1900 to the late 50s who wrote the finest Waray poem. A couple examples of his works are Daspedida kay Kirikay and Mga Balin sa Sayaw.